We got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors, your outdoor vacation channel. And guess what, guys? We're closing in on 200,000 subscribers, well over 10 million views now, and we've been looking at RVs for years. And why do I say that? Because we're going to show you the Thor Geneva 21VT, the smallest model, all the way up to the 31VT, the largest model. And that little guy right there, that is Gypsy, and she thinks this may be the best overall value for a Class C RV on the market, and I know that's going to cause a lot of comments down below. But definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram page, our website, How to Have Fun Outdoors. Definitely check out our sister channels. Now we have a dedicated How to Have Fun Camping with all kinds of RV reviews, campground reviews, How to Have Fun Cruising, and How to Have Fun Fishing. That's right. You're going to want to check out all those channels. They're doing incredibly well. But How to Have Fun Camping, our sister channel, if you love RVs, you definitely want to go there. We've got all kinds of RVs, but this one you're going to love. Let's check it out. But today it's all about the Geneva Class C. That's right, guys. This one's awesome. Chevy chassis. That's right. You can get it in the small 21VT. The Ford chassis, you can get that one also. Here you go. 22VT, 22VT, 24VT, 28VT, and then the large 31VT. So the range goes from anywhere 24 feet to 32 feet. And this is the side profile of it. Classic old school Class C. Still the best overall design in my opinion. It falls on this E Ford chassis. Absolutely beautiful. With all the 2025 upgrades, you're going to absolutely love this video. Best value overall in our opinion. Thor, this is their sweet spot. They have struggled in some different areas, but in my opinion, they make a great Class C with this Geneva model. Lots of standard features and benefits and options with this thing. Even if you look at the breakdown on the electrical, you got the gas generator, you got the wind guard, you got the 30 amp shower power, you've got all the good stuff, the front air conditioning, you've got take a look. I mean, 100 watt solar, a little bit of everything. You can freeze it there, pause it, take a look at it. But today we're going to give you a quick view of the 21VT and just kind of walk you around, show you this unit, and nothing major in depth. And then we'll go more in depth with the rep from Geneva on the 31VT, the bigger model. But take a look at the small model here and look at the amount of storage. Absolutely impressive. You've got the 110 outlets there. You've got the LP gas right here, which is really nice. Really good, solid structure, good looking unit, good graphics on it. What we really liked is a lot of these new units aren't coming with the ladder. This still has the ladder, nice rear window on it. Got your hitch, really good overall layout. You're going to get to see that. Here you've got your city water connection, and over here your 30 amp connection, and down below all of your black gray tank disconnect, etc. So sharp unit. Take a look. Nice generator setup with the AGS. I mean, you can't beat that if you've got pets, animals. You can take this size unit, the smaller one, to the grocery store in the summer. AC kicks on with the generator, or in the winter and the heater kicks on. There is the same exact layout in the Ford chassis. So you've got your choice in the smaller unit, the Ford chassis or the Chevy chassis. And take a look at Gypsy. She just absolutely loved this storage area, wanted to hang out there, and we said, hey, you can hang out there while we walk you around. So let's go inside for a minute. We're going to just show you this one quickly. We're not going to do an in-depth, but we will on the 31VT after this, because that's the bigger unit, and we will walk you through all the storage, all of the inside, all the features and benefits, so you'll get to see that. But overall, we just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of the smaller units and taking you all the way to the larger units. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. As you can see, this one's on the Ford chassis. Really nice setup. These things are proven. I mean, they have been around and they are, you know, just an outstanding chassis, if you will. You've got, obviously, with your little C, a sleeping area up there, ideal for kids, teenagers, all of that good stuff. Pretty straightforward layout here. TV up in the corner, smart TV. And as you can see, nice air conditioning system, nice galley there, nice place for a family of 4 to sit down and eat together, old school like we did back in the 70s and 80s. And that's one of the nice parts of these old school Class Cs. There you go. You don't have a Murphy bed or anything goofy. The bed is always there, ready to go. Big old bathroom in this unit. We were pretty impressed, you know, and overall, a really, really nice unit for the price. Okay, now you've seen the small ones. We're going to move over to the big one. That's right, the big Class C, the 31VT from Geneva. I think you're going to like this, but we're going to dive right in and check it out. Here you go. Got everything, but today it's all about this one. Check out this Thor Geneva. This is a monster. Let's start right here. Look at all the storage. Really nice fit and finish in here. I know Thor's taken some hits over the years, but it seems like these Class Cs are their bread and butter. There's your propane. Take a look at that. Really nice setup. You got your 110 outlets. And I got to tell you, we were impressed. We've looked at a lot of Class Cs, and quite honestly, this Geneva line is very impressive. We're also going to run another video on the small Genevas and the smaller outlets. There's your outside propane. But take a look at this big old storage. Absolutely colossal. So there's your low point drain for your winterization. 110 outlets. You got your lighted compartment. Take a look at that. Not many of these new RVs still got the ladder on the back. These guys do. Pretty sweet setup. Walkable roof. Look at your cover over the top of the slides. Got more storage back here. Your outlet. And then boom, come on down. Take a look at there with your black and gray tanks. Really nice. And how about the dualies on this thing? Beautiful chrome wheels on this thing. Really, really nice setup. Again, very impressed. And look at more lighted storage. And the fit and finish was good on this. I looked at some Class A's recently. Pretty disappointed with some of the fit and finish down in the storage areas. And this Class C is buttoned up. They know what they're doing with this thing. They've been doing a lot of them. They've been selling a lot of them, according to everyone we've talked to. How about that Cummins Onan 4000? Really nice generator. So you got the generator, you got the propane, you got a little bit of everything, the house batteries, a super slide. Look at this whole side of this unit. And then you've got your, you know, camper top there, the E450 Super Duty Ford Monster. And look at the tires, look at the front fascia. This is a really nice unit. I mean, we were impressed, but we're going to take you inside and check that out. Take a look at this thumbs up right here. We got some warranty action, and boom, take you inside and check it out. All right, we got Nathan, we got Alice, and today we're looking at a super cool Class C, probably their most popular, highest seller, right? You Definitely. Sell a ton of these.
Bunk beds always do great.
Bunk beds, and if you've got kids and you want to do camping here on How to Have Fun Camping, you're definitely going to want to watch this video. So let's talk about this unit. How big, how much, what do we got in it? Tell us a little bit about it, Nathan.
So you got 32 feet of living space here in this coach. Standard right from the factory. It's going to come on a MoRide chassis. The MoRide chassis is fantastic. They add an extra suspension to it, so really it's just going to make your ride a lot smoother, a lot easier to drive. For me personally, I think our biggest upgrade here that we have on the Genevas is an auto gen start. It's not something you get on Class C's a lot. What that's going to do for you is, you know, if your battery drops too low or it gets too hot in the coach, that generator is going to kick on automatically for you, and it's going to, you know, turn on the AC, power everything back up.
Yeah, we have that on the Class B, and one of the things that really bugged us was when we were looking at Class C's, they didn't have it, right? Yeah. And the reason we needed it was the dogs, right? So. Yeah. On our Class B, we can take it out in the wintertime. The AGS pops on and the heat's on. We can take it into Florida and the AGS pops on and the AC pops on. So you guys actually have this with the bunk beds and a big C. This is not a small unit. This is pretty big.
Definitely. It's a big one. And then just one more big thing I love to mention about these Genevas is they have the cross-flex roof standard. There are no screw holes in the roof. You don't have to screw anything down in the factory, so there's not a single hole in that roof, obviously, except for your ACs and ceiling vents, but it saves you about 100 screws in the roof, so that's 100 less holes. And then obviously with Thor, you got your 6-year 6-year lamination and 12-year structural warranty. So I mean, that's just the best warranty you get in the entire industry. Nobody else is even sniffing close to that.
That is pretty awesome for sure.
Yeah.
So can you tell us, what do we got here? Walk us through this, Nathan.
So you have your, standard camper display right here. The big thing you're going to get is you have all of your tank levels right here. You can check your propane, your battery, your fresh, your black, and your gray. These are all your tank heaters right here, so you can turn on your tank heaters. If you're camping out in the cold, this will turn on 12-volt heating pads for you, and it'll keep those tanks warm for you.
So all the tanks are heated?
Yes.
So this is another complaint. I mean, we've got some Class Bs that don't have that, and it's not good for winter, right? So you can camp out in the winter with this, no problem.
Oh, 100%. And then obviously, you got your slide mechanisms right there. Shows your generator hours. Very easy to start your generator.
Then down here, you've got, this is on your battery side. On the battery, is it AGM or lithium, or what do you guys?
No, so you just got standard 12-volt deep cycle batteries in here, but I mean, you can upgrade to AGM, you can upgrade to lithium. There's nothing stopping you from doing that.
Okay, very good. And then down here, there's a bunch of stuff. What's all this?
So this is your solar controller right here. I always like to say you should never have to touch this. If it starts making noises, that's when you have to touch it. But usually from the factory standard, this is going to work perfectly every time. These are just some lights for your awning and the interior and things like that. Yeah. This is your battery disconnect. This is great to have. When you're done camping, you just switch this to off. This will shut off the power in the entire coach. This is so valuable to have.
Wow, super cool. And then in here, you've got a little, look at this, Alice. Little coat closet. How cool is that, huh?
I love that.
And look at the cabinets all the way across. Lots of storage.
Actually, this is something really cool I like to point out too that Geneva does.
Wow.
We got vents up in your front bunk area as well. A lot of Class C's in the industry, they do not vent your bunk area, so it turns into kind of a coffin up there. It gets really hot.
Right.
This one, you got vents up there. It's going to keep it nice and cool for whoever ends up staying up here.
Wow.
Very nice.
And you've got the LED lights. This is a big. Big box. Look at the size of this, Alice.
I know. I would honestly skip the bedroom and sleep over there.
Look at that. I mean, that is some serious bunkage right there. And the big Ford. You got the big Ford on this one.
Yeah. Yep.
Look at that. Real nice. This is like the classic RV, right?
Yeah.
But 2024 version, right?
I know. Like
nice couch.
Nice little features and benefits that we are for 2024.
Yeah,
But
look
it
at
is
outlets,
nice.
speakers, LEDs, huge storage. So much more storage. Couch, the classic dinette, look at.
Something different that Geneva does with the dinette and the
look at that.
furniture is they use Dream furniture, so it's about 4 to 5 inches larger than most of the competitors. So you just get bigger furniture in here. You got a bigger Dream dinette, you got a bigger couch. It's bigger.
TVs right there.
Yep.
I mean, this thing is like, back to the basics, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's trying to
Very
come up with
little
something
dream.
that,
This is exactly what I
What do you think of the kitchen, Alice? Pretty cool, huh?
I really love it. Look at also this little design. People that they don't work in the kitchen, they don't understand how this is valuable.
Yep.
But it's really
It's one of those
amazing.
things you don't know until you use it.
Yeah, stainless steel, undermounted, kind of got that.
You leave everything here, drying. Your fruit and veggies can stay here. It's pretty awesome.
Really nice. And look at here, Alice. Cook up some pizza. Everybody's chowing down. Look at this. Lots of storage. That is pretty sweet, huh?
And obviously the corner kitchen is a big plus because you have more entertaining with the rest of the family while they are at the table.
And with that slide out, look how big and spacious this is. I mean, this thing looks huge, right? We were just looking at a luxury Class C, and it doesn't feel that much different. I mean, this is pretty good.
Yeah, and the one thing that is not to underestimate is actually the fact that even with the slide out closed, this is a livable space.
I was just about to say that. With the slide out shut, you still have
So you got to hire Nathan.
Yeah. Got job openings. Newtown, Connecticut.
There you go. You guys can get an Italian on the staff. So
yeah, you
pretty
can
cool.
actually stay wherever you want, pretty much.
Yeah, that is a big plus. All right, so let's swing over here, take a look, and look at this.
Oh, wow.
Pass-through bathroom. You guys did it. Nathan, you're crushing it.
That's what I did.
He wanted to show us this unit. Now I know why. But look, fridge, freezer. Again, we always talk about that as a big plus.
That's big to have. Your water heater controls right here in the bathroom. You don't have to go outside. Don't have to go any weird places. It's right there in the bathroom.
Stainless steel sink. Look at this. You got the really nice corner shower, stand-up skylight. Look at that, folks. Lots of room. You're not... Wow, that is really, really cool.
Yeah.
Nice corner back. Plenty of space there. More cabinets. Really nice. And then, boom, you walk right in the back and you got a big old bed, huh? Lots of storage. Look at the size of the storage in this thing, man. It's just old school. You got tons of storage, Alice.
Yeah, and you can actually travel with 6 people, close eyes. You have like people here in the bedroom, the 2 kids in the back bed, and the grandparents in the back bed.
Well, and does that dinette fold down into a bed
Yes,
too?
sir, it does.
So you can get
this
8.
folds down to a bed, and this opens up to a bed as well. It's a
What?
jackknife sofa. It doesn't open up, but it jackknifes out to another bed. So I mean, you can 8, 9 uncomfortably.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yeah.
So there's the bunks right there. Gypsy and Rocky could have their own bunk. Lots of drawers. Take a look at that. Really nice. Tons of space.
Yeah, they are really nice.
Wow. And a big old bed on this thing. And this is not on a slide out, right? This is just standard back here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
One slide on this
this
side.
place doesn't really, this RV doesn't really need a slide out.
Yeah, it is
That's-
fantastic. And look, I mean, really, really cool. Nice floors too, huh? I mean, these are kind of cool.
Yeah. Love this product.
Wow, super nice. So you got propane on here, right? You got the generator?
Yep.
Okay, what kind of generator do you get with this? Do you know?
This guy is a gas generator, so it runs off the same reservoir of fuel.
Okay, very cool. Very, very cool. And then how about solar? We saw that, so you must have
Should
some
have
solar.
At least, I think it's a 160 watt solar panel from the factory. And
Okay.
really just to make sure that when you're storing it over the winter, nothing's going to die on you. It's
Yeah,
gonna
just
trickle
kind
charge
of
the
trickle
battery.
charge it down there. And then you've got the microwave here. So, and you don't even need the convection microwave because you got the full stove here.
Yep.
So, absolutely cool. I mean, you got to tell us, Alice, what do you think? Everybody back home, comment down below. What do you think of this thing? And definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much, Nathan. We got this guy out doing videos with Alice and how to have fun outdoors and how to have fun camping. But Alice, what do you think overall?
Well, this unit brought back a lot of great memories because this Class C life, that is what I had while I was growing up. So it's
In Europe,
pretty awesome.
right? You
Yeah.
traveled all over in Europe.
My
and what
brother
is-
and I on the bunk bed, my parents up there, and we traveled all over Europe like this. So
Wow.
a lot of great memories, absolutely.
That's amazing.
This is absolutely like a way more modern unit, the 2024 version with a lot of
Well, no question about it. This one beautiful motorhome, the Geneva 31VT, and MSRP is $168. You can definitely get some great deals right now in late 2024 on these 25 models. But here you go with the specifications. You can pause the video at any time, but as you can see, this thing is loaded. I was shocked with everything they had. They even have the tankless water heater, which was pretty awesome overall. You've got your LP, you've got your generator, you got your AGS, which is awesome for pets. Here's your overall specs on the chassis, the engine, the horsepower, your wastewater, gray water, water heat. Again, pause where you need to. But I tell you what, this is one awesome Class C, and we'll finish it up with the Liche. All right, here we are. We're finishing this video up. Great job, Nathan. He picked this one. He said, you got to see this Class C, the How to Have Fun Outdoors crew. And sure enough, he delivered. This is old school. This is old school camping in a Class C. What'd you think, Alice?
Well, obviously I love this unit, but let us know in the comment down below what do you think about this unit. What you like, what you would like upgraded, and anything else. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I see you. Then hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun outdoors.
Woo, 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 woo.